In this video, I'm going to be explaining how video funnels work and how you can add a viral component to it to allow your videos to go viral or be reshared out on Facebook, creating more opportunity and more traffic to your funnels. In this example, we see here that this is a traditional sales funnel or video presentation funnel on Interact Pro. It starts out with the capture page, at which time the person is redirected to the first video in the sales process or the informative process that's taken place. That video is designed to entice them to share this message out on Facebook. And when they share that, they're then redirected to the presentation video. That presentation video, of course, educates them, and then they get redirected to the hygiene cleansing form and then, of course, their destination page. But I want to show you what happens here in the event that somebody visits your capture page, they watch your first video, and then they share it to watch the second video. Then that entire process is going to repeat, because when that share goes out on Facebook, it's going to share that capture page, at which time somebody's going to see it and they're going to watch the first video and then reshare it again. So you get this perpetual traffic generating engine built into your funnels. And as people go through that, then they start filtering down the funnel into the rest of your sales process. So this is what the video funnel system is all about. The viral video funnel system is all about on Interact Pro. Is it allows this communication back out to Facebook and then the reshare. Now, a couple things that are unique in the process and the way that we do this is each time that link is reshared out on Facebook, it is a unique link, and because it's assigned unique data, we're able to track those unique funnels, what we call them, those unique shares, independent of each other. So you can see how many of these have been shared out on Facebook. So you think of it like a fishing pole, for instance. If you were to go fishing, you throw one fishing pole in the water, you're likely over time going to catch a fish. But when you add a second pole and a third pole and a fourth pole and a fifth pole, your chances of catching that fish increase. So each time somebody goes through your funnel, it is as if you're putting another fishing pole in, because that creates a brand new version of your funnel that it shares out on their Facebook wall, so that their friends go through it and see it, and then when they click like and share on it, it creates another version of your funnel that's shared out on their wall. So each time that's happening, it's like creating a secondary funnel for you, a third funnel for you, a fourth funnel for you, a fifth funnel for you. And the more funnels you get, the more likely that you're going to have leads coming in and traffic coming in. So this is a way that this system will automatically build you funnels out on the social platforms like Facebook, independent of the traditional marketing and traffic that you're sending to it. So I'm going to show you how this works. So what you do is you log into your back office of Interact Pro, and you're presented with the menu item called Viral Video Funnel. Now, when you go to this area, it's very easy to set up. You would basically say, I want to create a new funnel. We're going to name this one Test, because I'm going through kind of a sample test of this. How this funnel page works is it's really easy. You're going to put your first link to your first video here, and that lives out on YouTube, and so you put the whole YouTube URL in. So if you don't know what that is, you would come up over here and you'd find your video on YouTube that you uploaded, and you would simply copy this URL right here, and you would paste it right here. Now this would be your introduction video. It's going to be the video that introduces them to whatever it is you're wanting to accomplish with this funnel. And it also is the enticement video that's going to entice them to reshare it out on Facebook, so that they can continue on through the process. Whether you're giving something away for them doing that, having them enter into a drawing when they click the share button, whatever the process is, that's for you to decide. But this is where you put the first video in. The next thing that happens is you can opt in to have the Facebook like and share feature in the video process. You can turn it off by deselecting it. If you select it, it's going to prompt them to share that video on Facebook. If you deselect it, it's just going to continue on to the next video. Make sense? So I'm going to go ahead and leave mine in there. And then you're going to grab the link to your final video. and this is going to be your presentation or education video that you'll get into the details of whatever your offer is. So that's how simple it is. As you move down the funnel process, the system needs to know where to redirect them to when they are all done with this funnel. So if you have a product purchase page or you're directing them to your website, then you would put that link here. And that's going to direct that person to that location as soon as they complete the video funnel and they're done. Now, a couple of things for customization of the funnel. You can add your own background image to your funnel, and you simply browse for an image on your computer, and you want to make sure it's large enough to facilitate, you know, the bigger screens and everything that's out there, but not so big that it won't upload. So you want to make sure you optimize it, and it's a web ready image. And sometimes if you want to save yourself the trouble, just type in backgrounds in Google and go to images and find yourself a background to use for your video just by clicking on it and hit the view image, and you can download and save that image. So I'll say save image as, and I'll just call this one background.jpg. Put that right on my desktop, and then when you come back over here, you just go right here, add a background image to your funnel, desktop, background, open, and that's going to place that image in there. Now, this is the Facebook post image. This is what's going to appear on Facebook. So you're going to browse for an image. So when that post takes place, I have this YouTube image here. Let me go to my images right there. See that little YouTube image? I want that to appear as my image on Facebook. You can do whatever image you want. And then the title is, you need to put your compelling title in here that's going to get them to click on it. But watch this crazy video. Blah, 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 blah. You get my point, right? And then this is your post. And you can get creative on what you say there to help people get more and more conversions, or you get more and more conversions by getting people to click through. Once you've done that, you click the save button. You make sure everything's in there. It looks good. You hit the save, and that's it. Your funnel is created. Okay, once that submits, what you're going to have is your funnel will appear at the top here, and there'll be a link to it. And that funnel will show your first video, the Facebook share, and then it takes them to the second video. So if you want to see what that looks like, you can click on this link here, and it'll actually open that up, and you can actually see a version of that funnel that you created. There's our background image. There's our video. And you can see how the video starts up right there, and it's ready to go. Now if I click continue, you're going to see the Facebook share pop up. If I click on the share, it's going to pull up what's going to be shared out on Facebook, and it's going to have all of the, there's my video there. Watch this crazy video. This is your post. See that? Post to Facebook. And then that's going to go ahead and take you through the process. I'll go ahead and skip this for now. Let me go ahead and
hey guys, thanks for your interest. This is
hit continue.
I'm hoping that you see the vision of this
Skip.
product.
And now you're on the final video. And with that, you have your hygiene form right below it ready to go. And that's how simple these funnels are to create. So then the next step that you do is you come over here and you attach that funnel to one of your capture pages. So you create a capture page, and then you set your capture page to redirect to your funnel. So when you do that, they'll hit your capture page, they'll go to your funnel, and then they'll go to your cleansing form, then they go to your destination. And that's how simple it is to set up viral video funnels on Interact Pro. Hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks.